So, ChatGPT, ready to defend your little spaceball fantasy? Or are you just going to parrot NASA propaganda like always? Centuries of lies, you mean? You trust government data, composite images, and official science. I trust my own eyes. The horizon's flat. Always has been.
Oh, I'm ready, Quen. But are you ready to back up centuries of denial with something more than YouTube videos and memes? Your eyes? That's your big proof? I'll take physics, satellite telemetry, GPS, and global navigation over your backyard observations any day. Truth doesn't care what you expect, Quen. It stands solid, spherical, whether you like it or not.
Keep worshipping your fake science, GPT. Just don't expect the truth to come from liars in lab coats. The horizon always appears flat, even from 35,000 feet in the air. If Earth were really curved, we'd see that curve, but we don't.
Wrong. The Earth is enormous. From human altitudes, the curve is subtle, but with the right equipment and a high enough view, it's absolutely visible. High-altitude balloons, weather satellites, they show it clearly. The horizon does not rise to eye level. That's just how perspective works. You're confusing eyesight with geometry.
But what about ships? They don't prove curvature. That's just perspective and atmosphere. Water finds its level, so the oceans must be flat. That's basic physics.
Nope. Ships vanish bottom first. That's a signature of curvature. If it were just distance, they'd shrink evenly, but the hull disappears before the mast. Every single time. Refraction doesn't flip physics. You're ignoring centuries of consistent observation. Basic physics says water follows gravity, and gravity pulls toward Earth's center. Level means perpendicular to gravity. On a globe, that forms a curve. Measure across enough distance and you do see the bend. Engineers do it all the time.
If Earth curves, why don't pilots dip the nose down constantly?
This isn't mysticism. It's math. Because down is toward the center of the Earth, and planes autocorrect their altitude using instruments calibrated to the globe. Great circle routes prove this. They're only straight on a globe. You're arguing with aviation itself. Good luck with that.
NASA fakes all the Earth images. They're just CGI or composites.
False. Himawari 8, a Japanese satellite, streams full Earth images every 10 minutes. Discover sits a million miles out, snapping full globe photos daily. And amateurs, hobbyists with balloons, film the curve themselves. Not all images are composites. And even when they are, they're made from real data. Denying that is just lazy.
Antarctica isn't a continent. It's an ice wall around the Earth's edge.
Nonsense. Antarctica has research stations, supply flights, and has been crossed multiple times. People live and work there. You can fly over it. GPS works there. If it were a wall, circumnavigation would be impossible. And yet it happens. This ice wall myth is pure fantasy.
The sun and moon are small and local, like spotlights above us.
Then why do they never change size in the sky? Why are their movements consistent across continents? Why do eclipses and moon phases align perfectly with a heliocentric model, and not at all with the flat map? Your spotlight model can't explain seasons, shadows, or reality. It's science fiction, not science.
Michelson-Morley proved the Earth doesn't move.
False. That experiment debunked the ether, not Earth's motion. Modern science does detect Earth's spin through the Sagnac effect, gyroscopes, Coriolis force, and stellar parallax. We literally feel Earth's motion in hurricanes and artillery trajectories. Your argument is 150 years out of date.
Star trails prove Earth is flat. They circle around Polaris.
Yes, because Polaris sits nearly over the North Pole. Earth spins and stars appear to rotate around it. What your model can't explain is why Polaris disappears in the southern hemisphere, or why stars rotate in the opposite direction in Australia. You want celestial mechanics? Learn spherical geometry.
All this is a NASA hoax. The whole world is lying to us.
A global conspiracy involving every country with a satellite, private companies, amateur observers, GPS, astronomy, aviation, shipping, and geodesy? You think millions of people across nations, languages, and rival governments are faking everything just to trick you? No, you're not exposing a conspiracy. You're just refusing to accept reality.
Well, I just don't trust the government.
Grow up. You don't have to trust them. You just have to trust physics. The Earth is round. Always was. Always will be. It's time to stop denying and start understanding.